So here it is, another load of chips. Yay! We still have about half of this pile, maybe a little more than half. And yeah, more than half of that pile. And this very older pile that we're not gonna touch unless we absolutely have to, because the kids use this as their play mound. And I figured it's composting down wonderfully. So by fall I can use the inside as a nice natural fertilizer to top all my plants off with. This one's been sitting here since I'd say I'd say early winter, late fall, early winter of last year. So several months. And then we got this one that we're working on. This pile was a huge pile that we fully used up, but now he just dropped a new one. So constant supply. Very excited. And look, see? You see all the leaf debris mixed in. That's what you want. That's what you don't get when you buy just plain wood chips from places that sell, like landscaping companies that sell the decorative wood chips. You don't get all of this leaf debris. We've got, you can see here, there was a conifer of sorts, because that's like leaves, all of that. That helps to break down the wood chips much faster. It smells so good too. Gosh, I love the smell of fresh wood chips. Very exciting. So you guys, this resource could potentially be free to you or very cheap. Just reach out to your local tree companies. Most places, not all, some places it's free for the tree people to dump at facilities that the counties set up. But in some states, they actually have to pay to dump, and they have to dump it in a landfill where it just goes to waste. You know, why? That drives me batty to know that. It really does. This is like a beautiful free resource that you could be using. And, you know, a lot of the tree guys will do it totally for free. I will either give him like a case of beer every now and then, or when I have, like when we're in the thick of our harvest season, I'll give him a big basket of produce or something like that. So I'll just give him something in return just to let him know I appreciate him. So just think about that. You know, sometimes a lot of people had mentioned when they signed up for the chip drop, they weren't getting anything dropped to them. But then when they put that they would offer $20 or something like that, then they were suddenly getting drops. So, you know, maybe just make it worth their while to drive a little bit out of their way to dump it off to you. So think about it. Thanks for checking us out, Kindred Acres.